Most people have had some experience with Galileo, but some of you may be coming back to the college for the first time and you're not really familiar with that database, what we call the Galileo database. Galileo has been around now for approximately 15 years, and it is it's this massive library in cyberspace, if you will, that encompasses several other smaller, more specialized databases. So you could say it's all of these other databases are like mini libraries, depending on the subject, with literally hundreds of thousands of articles, and they're all like little rooms in this virtual house, which is known as Galileo. That may be more information than you care to know, but let's go ahead and cut to the chase here and do some searching in Galileo. So to get to the Galileo homepage, I'm simply going to move the taskbar over here, or rather the little scroll bar over here to Galileo on the right-hand side of the screen, and I'm going to click there on the Galileo homepage. And then this is kind of like what the page looks like. We can take, again, one of two approaches. If you're interested in doing a search for a particular topic in history, you can actually key in that search here on the main box. We're going to go with Salem witch trials as an example, and we'll just simply let that be our search, and we'll click on the little magnifying glass here to the right. And the neat thing about doing a general search is that you get all of these different media formats coming to you. You get academic journals, you get, scrolling on down, you get reference books, lots of reference books. You get periodicals, which that's a fancy way of saying a magazine. You get ebooks, book reviews, and on it goes. So this is really what you might consider to be overkill. I mean, that's if you're just kind of wanting to see what's out there. And not all of these are going to be helpful to you. They're not all going to be relevant. And over here you can see on the right-hand side of the page we actually have related historical images. So if you're doing a paper and you want to include, or a PowerPoint presentation and you want to include a scene from the Salem witch trials, this might be a very helpful illustration that you could embed within your paper, or create a PowerPoint slide for that. So that's kind of a neat feature.